Happy New Year and welcome to the first installment of How to Learn How to Rock Balance. My name's Dr. Rock and I'm going to show you how to make a balanced rock just like this one here, and I can show you how to do it. So just follow along. We're going to start our first lesson with the point of balance. The point of balancing and the secret of balance is where you can take any rock and make it stand on its end. This is called a point balance. You'll learn over time that any rock can be balanced regardless of the size or the shape. If you take the mass and you put it down, you'll first feel one point of contact. That's your down point. As you lean the rock back, you'll feel it begin to catch. That will be your second point. As it begins to find its center of gravity, it'll begin to seesaw. So you want to find the third point by slowly turning the rock. As you get closer, you'll find the rock can stand on its own. When I first start rock balancing, I try to find something that has some nice divots in it, something like these rocks here. It can be any shape and any size, but if you find something with a good indentation, it's a good place to start. Once you find a good base rock, it's time to find a top rock. What I call a top rock is something like the star of the show, a rock that will sit on the top of the balance and really command your attention. As you think about what kind of top rock to choose, think about how a picture will look in the profile of the rock. Rocks can have all kinds of shapes, but I try to find the most unique ones to really draw your attention. Rocks have a lot of character. Top rocks can be large like these, or if you feel more comfortable, maybe try something smaller. So let's begin. Balancing your first rock may take some time. It's important to breathe and not remain tense. Just have a lot of fun with it. If it falls down, you can try again. Placing the rock down will initialize your first point of contact. As you lean it back, you'll find your second point, and slowly turning it and releasing slowly. There you go, gently balanced rock. The more you do something like this, the easier it will come to you. As you become comfortable practicing it over and over, you can try a smaller contact like this one. Press down, try to find your point of contact, slowly turn the rock, and here you go, it's seesawing, so we want to slowly turn the rock and let go very gently. There we go again, great job. As you keep doing this, try and get a smaller and smaller contact. The smaller the contact, the more difficult and harder the balance will become. You will learn that there's not much room for error, meaning that you'll have to go much slower and you'll have to use a lot less force when you release your balanced rock. You'll learn as you balance rocks that anything with mass can be balanced. This means a chair, a rock, or anything really. As you balance rocks, you can learn that you can balance them anywhere, and this feeling never leaves you. Let's go down to the river. Wow, the water looks great today. This little point right here really stuck out to me on the rock. You see behind, there's the waterfall falling, so it's really going to make for a nice picture. Start by first placing the rock down, then leaning it back, then slowly turning. There you go, balanced rock. Once you find your first balanced rock, you'll find that you have a lot of power in yourself and a lot of confidence to keep continuing forward. Give the rock some thanks. Maybe you could christen the rock. You could add your own little flair and touch by adding some leaves. It's important to always have fun with what you're doing and enjoy the process. I really enjoyed showing you how to balance your first rock, and remember, leave no trace. Thanks again for coming, and we'll see you on the next one.